Our junkyard find, 1975 Chevy Monte Carlo. It's got the good old Illinois rust going on here. Little Bondo, little rust holes, little weight savings, huh? Brand new brakes on it. Frame doesn't look terrible over here. Nice. Had a good life, 70s rock, still alright. Some vent holes in the trunk. Well, pieces of. Oh. Here's the front fascia with the headlight. A little more weight savings on it. Nice little crusty door. Here's the hood on the ground. If it needs a nice hood or a sled. Door stuck. Try the other side. Fenders are gone. Engine's gone. Bumper and core supporter just kind of tied to the front. Disc brakes on it. More crusties by the body mounts. Windshield looks alright. Some bucket seats in here. I don't know what these bucket seats are. They don't look like the original of this car. Maybe they are, but not sure. Dashpad don't look bad. Cluster's kind of half apart. No, never mind. The windshield is broken. It's not good. Headliner's falling down. Back seat's all pulled out. No goodies under the back seat. Got some nice kind of carpet you would call this stuff. Nice thin carpeting. Some sound deadener probably over some signposts. Looks like it's got 79,000 miles on it. Believe it. Power windows. It's probably a cool car back in its day. No, it's just the weight in the crusher.